Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, man, you went too early. All right, so we built this ramp, and we're afraid that we might not have enough transition in it. So we need to test a few things to make sure that we can come back down on the ramp.
Yeah.
So Levi has got us a bunch of things to test.
Wait, I did.
Just to see how good the ramp is going to bring us back down on the ramp. First thing, we got a baseball. We got a baseball.
Yeah.
Let's see what the baseball does.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Get ready, because I'm going to go really
All right,
fast.
throw it hard. Oh no, the baseball went over top of it. That ain't what we want to do. Oh man. What you got there? What is that?
A bottle rocket, I think.
Yeah, let's see what a bottle rocket does.
Let's see if it's going to use the ramp and fly up to the sky. That'd be cool. That's going to be cool if it does.
All right, this is the first time we're going to see what a bottle rocket does.
Yeah, we tested on the little ramp before, but not on this big ramp. So we might want to like run really far away when you light it, because we don't know if it's going to
Here, use video and see what it does.
Okay.
Be sure you get it. See what it does off the ramp.
Okay, I'm facing it up. So it does shoot. That was way too fast.
That was closer. That was closer.
Yeah, but that was way too fast. We could not see anything. We just poof. It looked like it poofed in midair. It's like poof.
What about a skateboard?
Oh, let's try that. Go.
You think you can make it go fast enough?
Maybe. Let's see. I don't know if we can get up these bumps. Let's see if you can do it. See if you can do it. Oh!
That's what we wanted to see right there.
And that lady did the trick.
We wanted to see it come back down on the ramp. Mission accomplished.
Well, let's see if we can do it again. Oh. You just broke your own ramp, Dad.
That's what we want.
Are you sure? Because it broke your ramp.
Should we try the car?
Sure. I'm going for it.
Let's try the board one more time.
Oh!
Uh-oh, that one didn't end so good. Here, you video.
Yeah, I'm not strong enough. Well, not yet. Wait, hold on, backwards. We're ready. Oh my God! Ah! That actually scared me. Yeah, that did work.
I think we're ready to get on the bike. Let's try the worm.
Yeah, but I ain't riding, okay? You are. You're riding it. Cheater.
That's what we want to happen.
Well, cheater.
All right, let's try this.
You're riding it. You're riding it, okay? You're riding the bicycle. I think that's our there.
That didn't go fast enough.
But Dad, you're riding the bicycles. I'm not.
Nice. Here.